Our first strategy is subtract all, and a number minus the same number always equals 0. The reason why is because you're taking everything away. So if I had 12 butterflies and 12 butterflies flew away, I'd be left with 0 butterflies. And same thing here. So we're going to do a little story here. So Mrs. Vincenzo brought Mrs. Sork cupcakes for her birthday. She brought 8 cupcakes. A-hole, 8. All of those cupcakes. And I'm going to cross them off to show that we ate 8 of the cupcakes. How many cupcakes are left? And that's right, we have 0 cupcakes left because we ate all 8 of them. Our next strategy is subtract 0. A number minus the 0 always equals the other number. And that's because we didn't take anything away. Everything's still there. So if I had 10 gumballs and I didn't eat any of them, so minus 0, I would be left with 10 gumballs. So our story problem over here is 3 minus 0 equals what? Well, Mrs. Burks is a huge animal lover, and she found 3 kittens in her backyard. But because she loved them so much, she couldn't get rid of them, so she kept them all. So she got rid of 0. So 3 kittens that she found minus 0 that she gave away means that she still has 3 kittens left. Our last strategy that we're going to talk about today is neighbors. And if the whole and the part are neighbors, then the difference is going to be 1. So if I had 9 and I take 8 away, I subtract 8, I'm going to be left with 1. And that's because they are right next to each other on the number line. So our story here is Miss McCullough had 5 tiaras to give to Annabelle and Gracie. She used 4 of the tiaras. I'm going to cross them off to show that we use 4 tiaras. And so she subtracted 4. How many tiaras does she have left? And she has 1 tiara left. The whole 5 is next to or neighbors with 4, so they are right next to each other on the number line, so 5 minus 4 is 1.